Presentation created by Drum. Topic Space. Bonjour, ni hao, konnichiwa. Introduce about the writer. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce a little bit about myself. So, my name is Drum. What I'd like to present to you today is about space. I also going to tell you some things and tips about space. Introduce about space. Okay, today I will talk about space, of course. Oh, wait, for specific, what I want to talk is our galaxy, Milky Way. So I will talk about some things in our galaxy, like planets, black holes, stars, asteroids, comets, constellation, our solar system, and meteor. So let's get started. Galaxy. You know, in space it has too many cool things, like our galaxy, like planets, black holes, stars, asteroid, comet, constellation, our solar system, material. In space, it also has many kind of galaxy, like elliptical galaxy, irregular galaxy, disk galaxy, or kind of our galaxy, spiral galaxy. Here is the elliptical galaxy. In the elliptical galaxies, it just have old stars and old planet. Irregular galaxy is the galaxy that is very have the fit nice galaxy for new stars and new planets. This galaxy is the galaxy that only have two tails. In this galaxy, let's have all kind of stars, planets, or black holes. A spiral galaxy is our kind of galaxy. In our galaxy, it has a black hole in it, or the middle of galaxy. Black holes. You know, in every galaxy, always have black holes. In our galaxy, it have black holes in the middle of our galaxy. So, what is black holes or form? Stellar black holes form when the center of very massive star collapses in neutron itself. This collapse also causes a supernova or an exploding stars. Thus pass the star into space. Black holes can crack, wrap space-time, suck light in a blend light. So it's very dark. In black holes, very black holes because light can't get into it. So if you fall into black holes, it will pull you in the noodles. Then your body will explode. But when you can go inside the whole black holes without exploding, then as long as you need it, you will die. Because inside of black holes, there will something called event horizon. But is event horizon. The event horizon is the inner boundary of space-time near the singularity, which cannot be reached by all matter below this limit, include electromagnetic waves. Here is the new black holes, and the energies go out from the star and go to the part and explore the part of black holes out of space. And here is the black hole when it's a normal black holes, and it's moving very, very fast and eat light and eat planet. Solar system and planet. You know, solar system is very, very big. Solar system is 8 planets, comprise Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, or terrestrial planet, because it's being primarily composed of rock and metal. Jupiter and Saturn are giant gas because It's constantly made of helium and hydrogen. Final is Uranus and Neptune, and ice giant because it's being composed mostly substance with relatively high melting point compressed with hydrogen and helium called volatiles, such as water, ammonia, and methane. So what are the things all stored to become a planet? First thing, it must always store. Second, it must be big enough to have enough gravity to force into spherical shape. The third is it must be big enough that its gravity clear away other objects and is similar size near its orbit around the sun. In solar system, it have 8 planets. So the first planet is Mercury. Second is Mars, Venus. The third is our planet, Earth. Fourth is Mars. The fifth is Jupiter. Sixth is Saturn. Seventh is Uranus. And 8. Neptune. Constellation and comet. In our galaxy, it has many constellations, and there are 88 constellations that human was found. So, what are constellations? So, a constellation is an area on the celestial sphere which person, creature, or inanimate object. So, what is a comet? So, comet are the comet ball of frozen gas, rock, and dust that orbit the sun. It's heat up and spew dust and gases into a giant glow head, larger than most planets. The dust gases form till the scratches away from sun for billion of miles. There are likely billions of comets orbiting around our sun in the Kuiper belt, and even more distant of Oort cloud. This is the constellation, and with that name that I don't know. And this is a comet. If you watch it in very far away, you can see the comet have only one tail. But if you zoom in very close, you can see comets have 2 tails, and the tails long or short is mostly because if it go near the sun or far away the sun. Meteors and asteroids. So what is meteors? Meteoroids are objects space that range in size of dust grain to small asteroid. Think of them as space rock. When the meteoroid enter Earth's atmosphere, are that other planets like Mars, the high speed and burn up. Fireballs, shooting stars are called meteors. When the meteors survive trips through the atmosphere and hit the ground, it's called meteorite. And what is an asteroid? Asteroids are small, rocky objects that orbit the sun. Although asteroids orbit the sun like planets, they are smaller than a planet. Here is the meteoroids that go through the atmosphere of some planets like Earth and Mars. And here is the asteroid. You can see asteroid is very big, and it can be small or big or circle or not shape if the gravity forces into a spherical shape.